Imagine walking into a famous Las Vegas buffet, bright lights, endless food, and right between the prime rib and crab legs. There it is, a giant, colorful bowl of chef salad. Fresh, crisp, and loaded with flavor. While Vegas is known for indulgence, sometimes what people crave most is balance, something fresh, satisfying, and easy. That's why the chef salad has been a staple in American diners and buffet for decades. It's not just lettuce on a plate, it's hearty turkey, ham, boiled eggs, cheese, and veggies coming together in a meal that's both classic and comforting. And today, we are making that same perfect chef salad at home, fresher, faster, and better than anything you'll find on the strip. In America, certain dishes have earned a place not just on menus, but in the nation's culture. The chef salad is one of those classics. It's more than just a mix of greens and toppings, it's a meal that reflects the heart of American dining, simple, hearty, and designed to satisfy. The origins of the chef salad are often traced back to the early 20th century, when diners and hotel restaurants were looking for dishes that were both refreshing and filling. Americans wanted meals that balanced freshness with protein, something lighter than steak, but still substantial enough to count as dinner. Enter the chef salad: crisp lettuce, fresh vegetables, hard-boiled eggs, strips of ham or turkey, cubes of cheese, and a choice of dressing. It quickly became a favorite because it checked every box: healthy, colorful, and satisfying. What makes this salad truly classic in the USA is its presence in American diners. Picture a chrome-accented diner along Route 66, or a small-town cafe in the Midwest. The menu may feature burgers, milkshakes, and pancakes, but the chef salad is always there, served in a giant bowl, stacked high with toppings, and drizzled with ranch or Thousand Island dressing. For many Americans, it's comfort food with a lighter twist. Something you can grab on your lunch break or enjoy with friends without feeling weighed down. Another part of its classic status comes from its versatility. In the US, food culture celebrates customization. Everyone likes to make things their own, and the chef salad fits that perfectly. Some prefer turkey over ham. Some swap cheddar for Swiss, and others load up on veggies to keep it extra fresh. It's a salad that adapts, just like American food culture itself. The chef salad also reflects the country's love for balance. Americans enjoy indulgent foods, steaks, fried chicken, pizza, but they also value meals that feel fresh and nourishing. That's why the chef salad appears everywhere, from Las Vegas buffet to small-town diners. In Vegas, it might be served as a fresh option among a sea of indulgence, while in a suburban cafe it's the go-to healthy but filling choice. In both settings, it delivers the same promise: a meal that's satisfying without being heavy. Culturally, the chef salad represents a piece of Americana. It's tied to the image of casual dining, to family-friendly restaurants, and even to hotel cafes where business travelers stop for a quick lunch. It's not a luxury dish, it's accessible, reliable, and familiar. For decades, it's been one of those menu items that people know they can count on, no matter where in the US they are. And perhaps that's what truly makes it classic. It's not just about the ingredients, it's about the experience. Sitting in a booth, sipping iced tea, and digging into a bowl of crisp lettuce, ham, eggs, and cheese feels distinctly American. It's about nourishment, yes, but also about community and tradition. So when we say classic chef salad, we are talking about more than food. We are talking about an American staple. A dish that bridges freshness and comfort, indulgence and health. From diners to Vegas buffet, from big city restaurants to small-town cafes, the chef salad has earned its place as a symbol of balanced, everyday American dining. One of the things that makes the chef salad such a beloved American classic is how easy it is to prepare. In the US, where grocery shopping is often an event in itself, finding the right ingredients is part of the experience. Whether it's walking through the bright aisles of Walmart, picking up organic greens from Whole Foods, or grabbing bulk packs of turkey and cheese at Costco, Americans have countless options when it comes to building the perfect salad. The foundation of any chef salad is crisp lettuce. In diners across the US, iceberg lettuce has been the go-to for decades because of its crunch and ability to hold up under heavy toppings. But in recent years, many home cooks and health-conscious Americans have turned to romaine or mixed greens for extra flavor and nutrients. Stopping by a local farmer's market on a Saturday morning, you'll often see families picking up freshly harvested lettuce, reminding us that freshness is what makes the salad shine. Next come the proteins, which give the salad its meal quality. In classic American diners, slices of ham and turkey are standard. These are the same deli meats you'd see layered into a sandwich, but in a chef salad, they are rolled, sliced, or chopped into bite-sized portions. For many families, buying these meats from the deli counter is part of weekly grocery shopping. It's convenient, affordable, and fits perfectly into the busy lifestyle of American households. Some people even swap in grilled chicken or roast beef leftovers, showing again how flexible and adaptable the salad has become in American kitchens. Then there are the hard-boiled eggs, a signature element of the chef salad. Eggs are deeply tied to American food culture. From breakfast diners to Easter traditions, and here they add protein, texture, and color. Pre-cooked peeled eggs are even sold in US supermarkets, a nod to the country's love of convenience. Still, many home cooks prefer boiling their own, seasoning them lightly with salt and pepper before slicing them neatly on top of the salad. Cheese is another defining ingredient. Cheddar and Swiss are the most common choices, reflecting America's dairy traditions from Wisconsin cheese factories to deli counters across the country. Cubed, shredded, or sliced, cheese brings richness and balance to the salad. Walk into any suburban grocery store, and you'll see entire aisles dedicated to cheese, proof of just how central it is to the American diet. Fresh vegetables complete the picture. Sliced cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, and crisp bell peppers add color and crunch, making the salad feel vibrant and wholesome. These vegetables are available year-round in American supermarkets, but many families love buying them seasonally at local farmers markets, connecting the salad to the rhythm of American agriculture. Carrots, red onions, or even avocado are popular modern add-ins, showing how regional tastes influence the classic formula. And finally, no American chef salad is complete without the right dressing. In diners, ranch dressing is king, creamy, tangy, and beloved across the US. Thousand Island is another classic, with its sweet, zesty kick. In coastal cities or health-focused communities, vinaigrettes have grown in popularity, reflecting a cultural shift toward lighter, fresher flavors. The beauty of the chef salad is that it works with all of them, allowing Americans to personalize their plate just the way they like it. Prepping these ingredients is more than just chopping and slicing, it's a small reflection of American food culture itself. It shows the mix of tradition and modern convenience, of diner classics and farmers market freshness, of indulgence and health. From the grocery aisles of big box stores to the tables of small-town cafes, the chef salad is built on the idea that good food can be both simple and satisfying. And as we move from prepping into the actual assembly, we'll see how these ingredients come together, layered, balanced, and served in a way that feels both classic and uniquely American. Now that we've gathered and prepped the freshest ingredients, it's time for the fun part, assembling the chef salad. In America, presentation matters almost as much as flavor. From small-town diners to Las Vegas buffet. The way a chef salad is arranged on the plate turns it from a simple mix of vegetables into an eye-catching, satisfying meal. The base always starts with crisp lettuce. In diners across the U.S., you'll see bowls piled high with iceberg for crunch or romaine for extra flavor. Americans love generous portions. So the greens are never just a thin layer, they form a bed strong enough to hold the proteins, cheeses, and toppings without wilting. Think of it as the stage where all the star ingredients get their spotlight. Next come the proteins, and here's where the salad earns its name. In classic American fashion, the meats are often displayed in neat rows or rolled slices, almost like a deli platter inside a bowl. Turkey and ham strips stretch across the greens, while hard-boiled eggs are sliced into wedges and fanned out for symmetry. This style of plating connects directly to U.S. diner and buffet culture, where visual abundance makes the meal feel hearty and satisfying. Cheese follows, usually cubed cheddar or Swiss, sprinkled generously, but with intention. In Las Vegas buffets, you'll sometimes see shredded cheese cascaded like confetti across the top. While in smaller cafes, neatly stacked cubes give a cleaner, more composed look. Either way, cheese adds richness and color, making the salad feel indulgent yet balanced. Then come the vegetables: tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, sometimes red onions for a sharper bite. In many American households, adding colorful veggies isn't just about taste. It's about creating a plate that feels wholesome and vibrant. Families often joke that the more colors in your salad, the healthier it must be. And indeed, in U.S. food culture, bright presentation signals freshness. Toppings like croutons add crunch. And in some regions, avocado slices or even bacon bits make an appearance. This reflects the American tendency to personalize meals. There's a standard chef salad, but every household, diner, and buffet puts its own twist on the assembly. And finally, the dressing. In U.S. diners, ranch dressing is poured generously, coating every bite. Thousand Island and blue cheese are other beloved choices, while health-conscious Americans might drizzle balsamic vinaigrette for a lighter finish. At Vegas buffet, dressing is often served on the side, letting guests choose how much they want, another hallmark of American dining culture, where customization reigns supreme. The act of assembling a chef salad at home also reflects everyday American life. Parents often prepare big bowls for family dinners, letting kids pick their favorite toppings. Office workers meal prep them in containers for quick weekday lunches. And when friends gather for game day, chef salads might be arranged alongside wings and nachos as a fresh option in the spread. In every case, the assembly process is quick, flexible, and tailored to the moment. What makes this step so important is how it ties back to the salad's history. Chapter 1 showed us that the chef salad is a true American classic, born from diners and cafes that valued hearty, balanced meals. Chapter 2 highlighted how modern grocery culture, Costco, Whole Foods, farmers markets, makes prepping the ingredients easy and accessible. And now, Chapter 3 brings those threads together, showing that the final assembly is about more than just stacking lettuce and meat. It's about creating a meal that reflects American dining values: abundance, balance, freshness, and presentation. So as you layer your salad at home, remember you're not just making lunch. You're taking part in a tradition that stretches from roadside diners to Las Vegas buffet, from suburban kitchens to Sunday family gatherings. That's what makes a chef salad more than just a salad. It's a cultural classic, plated to perfection.